Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your go-to destination for architectural inspiration, home aesthetics, and exterior transformations. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most romantic, intricate, and timeless architectural approaches of history, Victorian style house design. Whether you are looking to build a heritage-inspired home from scratch, restore a classic piece of history, or simply explore the majestic details of 19th century architecture, this video covers everything you need to know about bringing Victorian elegance to life. Let's get started. Victorian style house design refers to an architectural movement spanning the reign of Queen Victoria, characterized by ornate detailing, asymmetrical facades, steep pitched roofs, and rich historical charm. This design encompasses various substyles such as Gothic Revival, Queen, and Italianate, featuring distinct elements like decorative trim work known as gingerbread, grand wraparound porches, soaring turrets, and tall bay windows. Rather than adhering to simple, minimalist boxes, Victorian architecture celebrates craftsmanship, complex volumetric shapes, and a romantic connection to the past. Choosing a Victorian-style house design offers a perfect harmony of historical grandeur and unique architectural character. One of the greatest benefits is the exceptional individuality and ornate aesthetic that sets these homes apart from modern cookie-cutter builds, giving owners a true piece of living art. Additionally, Victorian floor plans often incorporate high ceilings, tall windows, and spacious multi-room layouts that allow for fantastic natural light and flexible interior design. Furthermore, owning a well-crafted Victorian home provides a strong sense of timeless prestige and enduring real estate value that never goes out of style. Decorating the exterior of a Victorian-style house to look breathtaking and authentic requires a careful balance of historic color palettes and intricate trim highlights. You can easily elevate a Victorian facade by utilizing multi-toned exterior paint schemes, often featuring 3 or more contrasting colors to accentuate siding, brackets, and ornate window casings. Adding traditional landscape elements like formal Victorian gardens, wrought iron fencing, stone pathways, and climbing ivy will ground the grand structure in a lush, romantic setting. Finally, upgrading porch lighting with period-appropriate gas lantern-style fixtures and adding classic wooden rocking chairs will create an inviting, majestic curb appeal. Victorian houses, which are often referred to as the grand old ladies of American architecture, are known for their distinctive style. Built between the 1840s and 1940s, these beautiful homes are adorned with intricate details and vibrant colors. Spread across cities like San Francisco and seen in Gothic Revival and Italianate variations, Victorian houses have left a lasting architectural legacy. And to complete your inspiration, here these the collection of the top 15 beautiful Victorian houses with the decorative details that define the era. Origins of Victorian houses. Victorian houses gained popularity in the United States during the mid to late 19th century. These houses reinterpreted earlier architectural styles from Italy and Britain to develop a distinct appearance. Today, most Victorian-style houses you'll see are recognized by their steep roofs, 2 to 3 stories in height, and elaborate decorative details. 2. Victorian house details. Victorian houses, which are recognized for their intricate details, come in a variety of different styles. The Italianate style, like this brick home, draws inspiration from Italian Renaissance villas. These stunning homes typically feature 2 stories and a squarish shape, adorned with decorative brackets, lace-like details, and elaborate trim work. 3. Victorian house porches. Victorian homes frequently include outdoor living spaces that reach the upper levels. Dual porches, one above the other, are also common. This specific style exudes charm with colorful exterior paint combinations and different forms of curved woodwork. 4. Narrow Victorian homes. In periods of rapid population growth, many Victorian homes were constructed in cities, resulting in small lot sizes. In order to make the most of limited space, homeowners built upward, often with a main floor partially below ground and 2 or more levels above. Certain homes were as narrow as 1 or 2 rooms wide. 5. Victorian-style windows. Victorian homes often have asymmetrical facades that showcase a variety of different window styles, such as bay windows, stained glass, and leaded glass designs. Inside, these windows may be enhanced with ornate trim or include charming features, such as built-in window seats. 6. Victorian wraparound porches. Creating outdoor living spaces is not a brand new trend. Victorian homes included functional exterior rooms, like wraparound porches. These stunning porches enhance the home's ornate appearance with intricate railings and detailed columns. 7. Victorian-style turrets and towers. Victorian houses are noted for grand designs and large interior spaces that influence their distinct exterior features. Turrets and towers add charm and asymmetrical appeal to these homes. These spaces, which often span multiple floors, were typically used as parlors for guests, studies, or even bedrooms. Crow's nests and small balconies are other classic details in this ornamental style. 8. Second Empire Victorian homes. Mansard roofs, which originated in France over 400 years ago, gained popularity during the Second Empire. More geometric than many whimsical Victorian houses, Second Empire-influenced homes commonly feature flat roofs, a boxier shape, and simplified details. A defining feature is a 4-sided mansard roof accented by dormer windows. Tall, narrow windows and elaborate trim are classic Second Empire characteristics. 9. Victorian house design. Victorian homes are commonly distinguished by their complex paintwork and stickwork. Intricate arrangements of vertical, horizontal, and diagonal wood elements create unique facades. Vibrant siding and trim colors in shades like blue, green, pink, and yellow further enhance the distinctive appearance of these beautiful, historic homes. 10. Victorian-style decorative elements. Elegant decorative details are hallmarks of Victorian houses. These details include turned columns, intricate gables and gable posts, scrollwork, porch railings and spindles, brackets, ornate molding, and gingerbread trim. An interesting fact, although many pieces appear hand-carved at first glance, they were often mass-produced, as were many elements of the era's home construction. 11. Victorian-style mix and match. Victorian is a broad term that encompasses many different styles. It's common to see a mix of several different styles in a single house. Victorian architecture includes Queen and Gothic Revival, Greek Revival, Second Empire, and Italianate styles. Combining elements from these different styles, as seen in a large red and white Victorian, results in a truly unique home. 12. Victorian house paint colors. A key characteristic of many Victorian-style homes is their intriguing color combinations. Generally, Victorian houses use at least 3 different paint shades. Some color schemes resemble a blend of pastel hues, while others are more muted but equally distinctive. 13. Asymmetrical Victorian house design. Unlike styles like Foursquare and neoclassical, Victorian houses are often asymmetrical. These homes frequently feature an entry that is not centered and 2 halves that differ in design. This asymmetry allows for diverse roof lines, adding visual interest to the architecture. 14. Victorian-style farmhouse. Victorian elements can enhance other house styles, too. Many different builders and designers combine the simpler aspects of farmhouse-inspired spaces with a touch of Victorian style. These homes generally have fewer decorative details, such as simplified spindles on a wraparound porch, and exhibit the asymmetry found in more elaborate Victorian homes. 15. Queen and Victorian. Emerging from the machine age, Queen and Victorian houses are notable for their extravagant details. These houses often include steeply pitched and varied roof lines, gables, dormers, decorative porch columns, spindles, towers, and dentil molding. The elaborate designs typically feature a variety of different exterior colors and materials. Victorian-style house design represents a true celebration of artistic craftsmanship and historical romance, proving that architectural intricacy can create breathtaking residential beauty. By blending rich exterior colors, decorative woodwork, and soaring roof lines, these homes offer unmatched character, timeless elegance, and stunning style tailored to history lovers. Whether you are dreaming of a colorful queen and masterpiece or a stately Gothic revival retreat, this architectural approach opens up a world of endless possibilities. If you found these Victorian house ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling us which of these design elements was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Better Homes Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming home design guides and exterior transformation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.